Welcome to you all. My name is Mr. Fitzgibbon, and as the Senior Deputy Head Teacher, my main responsibilities are for our curriculum and ensuring high quality teaching and learning. I will be joined and supported by one of my colleagues, Mr. Stanton, who overviews the option process and is responsible for assessment. It is a really exciting time for Year 8. Education is our passport for the future. Your qualifications will pave the way for your future education and your careers. But we mustn't forget they are not life-defining, and we understand at this point you may well not be clear what career you want to pursue, and that is perfectly fine. For Year 8, this will be the first opportunity for you to make your choices about the curriculum you will study. We recognise this will be both exciting and, for some of you, daunting. Exciting because you can pursue subjects you feel a real passion for, and daunting because of the vast array of choices you may have to make. You may not feel you know what you want to do in the future yet, and again, that is perfectly fine. I have the pleasure of teaching the majority of your children PSHE, and recently we have used this fantastic site, Unifrog, that links your interests to potential careers. I highly recommend talking to your children about this and use it as a conversation springboard. Details of the site have been sent out. This and the following two slides are not by any means exhaustive lists of careers related to subjects, but are useful examples to help you think of how subjects could link to future careers. We must remember, however, the caveat that many careers may not well have been invented yet. As I said before, choosing your subjects may be a bit of a challenge. So when you look to choosing subjects, try to choose subjects you feel a real passion for. Get advice from your teachers. Try not to choose subjects based on friendship groups or a teacher who currently teaches you, as they may not be the teacher you have for the next 3 years of the course. By the end of this academic year, you'll have studied up to 20 different subjects. At Key Stage 4, as you can see, you specialise in more depth. Our 3-year Key Stage 4 allows for deeper insight into subjects, which enrich your knowledge and allow for qualification specialism. It is important to say, however, you will study a core offer of subjects. English and Maths, for example, are key door openers. Achieving these at level 4 and above are important requirements for post-16 progression. Alongside these, we will also continue to study science, physical education, PSHE. Level 2 qualifications, which are both GCSEs and equivalent BTEC and Cambridge Nationals, are graded either numerically from 1 to 9, with 9 being the highest, the old A star, or for BTEC and Cambridge National Awards, pass to distinction star. You may have heard the term English Baccalaureate or EBAC. This is when a student studies a suite of qualifications, including a humanities, history or geography, and a language alongside maths, English and science at grade 5 or above. This isn't a qualification in itself, but is highly recognised by universities and would be really worth considering. Where we think that your child is suited to do the EBAC, we will be suggesting this pathway. It is important to say, however, that no pathway is exclusive or better than another. They offer guidance to enable your child to be successful all the way through to Year 11 and beyond. Whatever pathway we recommend to your child, we are more than happy to discuss options if you feel the need. You will see from the choices on offer that there are subjects that you may well not have been taught. So the options evening is an important time for you to investigate these for yourselves and see if these will be subjects you would like to study. Science will also have its own mini options process, where you will be advised to follow either Trilogy Science, equivalent to 2 GCSEs, or Triple Science, leading to the 3 separate GCSEs. Both myself and Mr. Stanton will be available at the options evening if you have any questions. The next presentation will be from Mr. Stanton, who will lead you through the options process.